Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand how to swap two numbers. Now let's open code blocks and we'll start with an empty file. So here first of all I'll write down hash include stdio.h, a standard input output header file. Then I'll start with the integer main function. So I'll write down integer main, and then inside main function, first of all let's declare two variables, integer x and y. As we have to swap numbers, so we need two numbers, so we'll declare these two numbers by using x and y. You can give name of your choice. Then we have to take those numbers from user, so we'll use printf, enter value of x. First of all, this is the first number, so enter value of x, a semicolon, and then we have to use a scanf function to read the value from the keyboard. So it will be in an integer format, so %d and ampersand x. It will assign the value to the same. We have to make the same procedure for the another number, so let's copy this and we'll paste it, and instead of x we will simply write down y here and y here also. So we have taken two numbers from the user. Now it's time to swap it. So first of all, before swapping we will use another variable, a temporary variable, integer temporary, temp equal to x. First of all we'll assign this to x. After that we'll do one thing, we will assign x equal to y. So temporary variable in the line 2 will get to y, and after that in the third line 3, y will be equals to temporary number, so y equal to temp. So this way you can swap. After swapping, it's must to print the result, whatever the swap result is. So you can write down here in the printf. So printf is a function to print anything on the output screen. So result is, you can simply write down x equals to %d, comma y equals to %d. So this way you can write down, and after that you can simply give comma x comma y. Then don't forget to give return 0, as every main functions requires that. So after doing this, you can simply save your result by save file as numswap.c. Click on save. Now you can simply build your file. Okay, so here is the semicolon required. Again build this. So if it build finished, you can simply run this. So it will ask you to enter the value of x, that means the first number will go for 10, enter another number 20. So first we can see our first x value is 10 and next x value is next y value is 20. After swapping, the result must be x equal to 20 and y equal to 10. Let's click on enter. So as you can see, the number got swapped. I hope you understood the logic behind swapping the number by using C programming. Thank you.